Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be tackling my stairs and my series House to Home. As you guys know, if you're new, I just moved to this house about 6 months ago, and I am making over these ugly stairs with the temporary fix. So what I'm using is peel and stick wallpaper from Amazon. I will leave it below. As what I'm doing here is I'm just lining up the wallpaper on the stair, and then I am going to mark it off so that I know where to cut with my I guess it's called a wallpaper cutter, so I can get a straight line. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. And as you guys can see, I have my almost looks like a credit card, so you're going to need something like that. You can buy the whole kit from Amazon, and you can just type in wallpaper kit. You're going to need an X-Acto knife, something to cut your wallpaper straight, and that's it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going through with the X-Acto knife. I cut it off, and then I am trying to line up this paper as best as possible. Now I did have to take it off 2 or 3 times just to get it lined up, but once I got done with like 3 stairs, I kind of had the hang of it. So I'm going to let you guys watch this. Now, I was inspired to actually do this by ToolBox Divas. I'm going to leave her video below. She did it with her Cricut. I just decided to do it with peel and stick wallpaper just because I felt like it would be easier for what I was trying to do. But I love the way it came out. I think it's a great DIY. I think you should try it if you have stairs. If you're a renter, it's still good because you can just take it off. Okay. So here is, sorry, let me get this focus together. Okay, so here we are, finished product. So we still have a lot to do in this hallway. I want to add pictures all the way up. So this will be all of our family pictures. As you guys can see, this is a very, very tall wall. I think we're gonna do some board and batten here. Probably navy blue. My husband's really into navy blue. And then we're gonna go up with pictures here and over here. I think this is gonna be our travel wall. We're gonna put all our pictures from when we travel there. And then here is the second set of stairs. And then here is that dresser. And then that's the guest bathroom, but I'll show you guys that later. But this is, I'm very happy. Sorry guys, I'm walking down the stairs. But I'm very happy with the results. Very, very happy. And you see Ace's toy right there. So, happy, happy, happy. I think it's nice. I don't like doing wallpaper, but I do feel like it's a cute alternative when you don't like your stairs.